welcome to Cloud Institution, the best software training institute. So today we are going to discuss what is Azure. So today's topic is what is Azure Traffic Manager? So Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS-based traffic load balancer that distributes incoming network traffic across multiple Azure regions or endpoints. It improves application performance, availability, and responsiveness by directing using to the nearest or healthiest endpoint using routing method like performance, priority, and geographical location, ensuring seamless global user experience. So Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS-based traffic load balancer. Okay, so it distributes the incoming traffic as per the multiple regions or the endpoints also. So for example, basically, suppose you host a website in three virtual machines, for example, East US, West Europe, or South Asia, using the performance routing method in Traffic Manager. So users from the US will be routing to the East US and Europe to the West US and Asian to the South Asia and ensuring the low latency and for the best performing users experience. So this helps the global apps to stay fastest and high available. So imagine if anything happens to one region also, it will recover from another region and you'll be getting from the nearest region, you'll be getting the output and everything. So that's why we are using traffic manager. So basically a traffic manager is like a load balancer or to avoid the traffic, we are using traffic manager also. So I'll show you a demo. So already I've created virtual machines and everything. Okay. So before that, I'll show you the traffic manager. So I'll click towards the traffic. So you can see traffic manager is here, right? So I'll click towards the traffic manager. So you can see create option. Okay. So the main purpose of using this traffic manager means to avoid the traffic also. So to avoid the traffic from entire world and everything, it should be connected with DNS also. Okay. So so this is the basic of traffic manager, how to create. Okay. So I'll show you. Before that, I'll show you the virtual machine which I have created. So inside this virtual machine 1 or inside this virtual machine 2, I've created a web host also. Okay, so this web host should be connected as a public. That means as a DNS. Okay, to do that, you already know in last class I taught you how to do, right? So I'll configure this as a public name and I'll give DNS as a traffic manager 1 2. So after giving that, I'll click on save. So I'll convert this as a DNS also. So after creating as a DNS and everything, what I do is I'll set up a traffic manager. Okay. So if anything happens to this particular region or if anything happens to particular this entire virtual machine, you'll be recovering from another region or a nearest region. Okay. To do that, I'll select the resource group and you can see they're asking for the name. Okay. So in this name, I'll give a particular name as traffic manager as a name. Okay, so traffic manager.net as a name. Okay, so you can see routing method. Okay, so inside this routing method, you can see number of options that is performance, weighted, priority, geographic, then multi-value subnets and everything. So the priority means direct traffic to primary endpoint and fails over to backup endpoint if a primary fails. But when you're using weighted, it distributes traffic based on weight assigned to endpoint. But when you're talking about the performance, route traffic to the endpoint with the lowest network latency, and geographic means direct user based on geographic location. Multi-value means it returns to the multiple healthy endpoint to the clients, and also subnets means map IP address range to specific endpoints. So these are the specification. So I'll do like a weighted or I'll do like a performance. Okay. So after doing that, you can see a resource group location. So already it is connected as a East US. Then I'll click towards the review plus create. So you can see it is deployed, right? So I'll click towards the go to resource. So you can see traffic manager has been created. You can see. So to connect this, we have to connect with a particular endpoint. Okay. To do that, you can see in settings, you can see endpoint is given here. So we'll click towards the endpoint and we'll click add. So when you click add, you can see they're asking for the particular name. So I'm giving traffic endpoint. Okay. And you can see targets resource type. So target resource type should be what? The virtual machine. So already I've created a virtual machine in public IP address, right? So I'll connect with the public IP address and you can see target resource. So I'll select the public IP address. So that is VMIP, that is Traffic Manager 12.east.us.cloud.app.azure.com. That is which is configured with DNS. So after doing these things and everything, I'll click towards the add option. Okay. So when you click add option, you can see save traffic manager profile changes. So after doing that, I'll go back to the overview. Okay, so I just want to check in which all region it has been uploaded. Means already I've uploaded the web hosting and everything, right? So I just want to check which all the region I've uploaded, like in globally. Okay, to do that, you can see there is an application called checkhost. So when you search for the checkhost, you can see check server is there, right? So inside this check server, you have to configure the IPs and everything. So you can easily rectify in which all region it has been configured and everything. So we already configured with DNS, right? So I'll copy this, I'll copy the DNS. So I'll go to the IP. So I'll copy this DNS name and I'll paste it over here. So after pasting it, you can see in multiple region it has been hosted. So if anything happens to this particular region, you can see it will recover it from another region. So it will avoid the traffic also. So this is the main purpose of using traffic manager. So if you like our channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And more information, contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.